Hey everyone, welcome back into the channel. We're going to look at Shiba Inu very quickly this evening for you guys. Shiba has had a bit of a boring day. Not really much has happened. Up to the 2.8 level, down to the low 2.6 over here. So we're not getting the pump that we're looking for at the moment. But I really still think that we could be waiting for that next play, that next big leg up here. We didn't get the double bottom that we were hoping for to play out, as we didn't get another massive pump for Bitcoin and just memes in general, but we did get this nice little relief rally coming to the upside. And if we can kind of consolidate here, it might be a good place to then sort of pave our way for the next leg up to that 0.3 level. So today, Shiba Inu $15.5 billion valuation. Over the last 7 days, it's kind of a bit rocky. It's been trading a little bit sideways from around that 17.6 billion region to that 14 kind of billion region. So of course, it's an amazing ecosystem, but we need to see some more bullish action here, some more excitement overall in the media and the crypto markets. We've got the weekend coming up. Usually the weekends can be a little bit rocky, a little bit boring, a little bit kind of, not much going on, and a lack of sense of direction in the markets. So kind of, it's what next? Meme coins are still moving pretty wildly, I would say, over the last 24 hours. We're getting some big coins that we've looked at before. Tamadoge going up, Floki, Doggy. So yeah, and even Smog is actually moving today, which is quite nice to see overall. But yeah, Shiba Inu is the next thing that we want to see start to move, because it is like that big barometer. It is like Dogecoin. It's like one of the big sort of daddy meme coins that kind of control the meme coin sort of sentiment, I suppose. If if these two coins do well, like Shiba and Dogecoin, usually you're seeing absolutely everything else do quite well. So as you can see, not much is really going too crazy. We're not getting those big sort of 100, 200+% sort of pumps on the day. At the moment, as this kind of day is a little bit bland, actually, we're actually down quite a bit on the day. As you can see, we have floated from, over the last sort of 7 days, we're down from $2.56 trillion down to your $2.4 trillion market at the moment. So like I say, I still think it's that classic kind of correction. Bitcoin at 63.6k. So that's also come down $10,000 now since its all-time high. And again, it's not a huge correction. It's just around 15%. So we could still see something crazy happening. Now looking at Shiba, really just anticipating another move here to the upside. If we have a look at our 1 hour time frame, just looking a bit consolidative again. That was a nice W pattern. You can see Shiba actually does like to trade in these W patterns. And that was a bit of a slanted one right there. You can see that sort of almost triple bottom rather than a double bottom itself. But we need to see now Shiba break back through this very, very annoying resistance level, which it just about is. Got another one just above it here. I think it's, it's still in a good place. If Shiba was going to dump, it would have done already. And I think if Shiba Inu doesn't hit an all-time high this year, I think I was saying in another video, it just wouldn't really kind of fit the overall idea of meme coins. It would be a humongous disappointment. There would have to be a new kind of staple meme coin out there that everyone talks about. And right now, Shiba Inu is that, one of the big meme coins that everyone does talk about. And yes, the upside potential is diminished because of its huge market capital, but if we didn't at least go back to an all-time high this time around, I think it would be very disappointing. So we need to see what can happen here with Shiba Inu. Overall, not much news on the coin right now, so I'm not going to kind of try and find any that is kind of not really adding value. But what really is important is we're still trading in this particular trajectory, and actually, guys, we are still trading in the trajectory that we were hoping for. Looks very different to last time though, doesn't it? When you go to 2021 on the weekly time frame, you had literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive green weekly candles, and when you look at this one here, you have 1, 2, but then you go 1, 2 red. So you have 2 green, 2 red. It's a little bit different to last time, but we are still trading in this sideways consolidation. And when we look at the time frame from the sort of inception of the pump, and when we move this over to the daily time frame, we can see from when this pump started over here to right here, we're sitting on day 25. And I do just want to quickly kind of go back over here, and why that's important is because when we look again, I know I've kind of said this like many times, bear with me. When we look at this, you can see that was a 28-day kind of consolidation before something major happened. So I think we're only about a week or 2 away from something major happening, whether it's going to be moving up or moving down. We're not really that far away. Can this just consolidate here for many more days? Could we see Shiba just float at this level because this is all the retail money here? Could we see Shiba just trade here for another, I know, like 60 days? So that's also something to think about, because we haven't seen that happen before, and it could play out totally differently this time round. It could be 50 days, sorry, of a complete sideways here and then a rip to the upside. It could do anything completely different. We don't really know, but we have got the Bitcoin halving. Of course, we've got memes still going parabolic on different chains like, you know, Solana. Even some Tron memes are coming out, even some Casper memes are coming out. So keep your eyes peeled on all these different sort of chains and ecosystems. If you start to see DEX volume go up, it could be a sign that maybe there's lots of meme coins coming to life on these particular platforms. So yeah, really interesting state of play in the markets. Let's see what can happen for Shiba over the next few days. In terms of overall volume, still getting tons of volume on Binance, Coinbase, OKX, Gate, all these kind of good ones. And if you are looking to, you know, grab some Shiba, make sure you do use MEXC. MEXC for your meme coins, MEXC for your trading, your leverage trading, all that juicy stuff, because you're KYC free, guys. You don't have to give up your, you know, privacy, your data. You can stay KYC, trade anonymously, do it with MEXC. The link is down below. If you fancy doing that, that'd be really, really cool. This is where I do all my trading. As you can see, I've got a few positions open. Just put through a Solana long as well today. 2 positions here on the Solana long. You can see those order prices there. And if you want to have a little look at my take profit, and also my stop loss figures, you can see them on the screen right here. I'll just share those with you guys as well. Not financial advice, but I have got 2 positions potentially in play. One entering at $114, the other on Solana entering at $142. Take profit, stop loss is set. $2,000 margin on each over there. So 5x leverage for a $10,000 total position size. Should have probably gone a bit higher on that, but yeah, I'm trying to be at least a bit risk averse. And if you do want to unlock more insights around next big things in the crypto sector, do consider becoming a Patreon. This is where you guys can learn about the next big meme coin before the public. So if you like this sort of thing, Patreon link down below. Thanks for all the support, by the way. There's hundreds of you now. Honestly, amazing to know that you guys are enjoying it, and it's really nice to support your journey. This is the Patreon here, and what it does is it unlocks all those VIP benefits within the Discord channel that you can see right here. So if I click on the ultra early announcements, I shouldn't really be showing you this, but you can see they're getting a lot of juicy stuff, and you know, this is things that could do parabolic movements. So do consider joining Jacob's Crypto Clan, one of the biggest discords out there in the crypto space. 25,000 members strong now. Thank you very much, everybody. Now that is probably a wrap of this video. I think it's good to say Shiba is still consolidating, Shiba Inu is still sideways trading, and if you aren't new here, do like this video, subscribe if you want to hit your crypto goals this 2024, and thank you very much for giving your time up to watch this video. Peace. Stay crypto safe. This is not financial advice.